Darwin platform group of companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe for multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines, and many other sectors.
Another week and another IPO has opened on D Street for investors. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Patra, and in this video, I'm going to tell you a new IPO that's open for subscription today. The IPO of Medi Assist Healthcare Services has already opened for subscription. Medi Assist plans to raise about 1,171 odd crore rupees via the public issue, and the price band for this IPO has been fixed in the range of 397 rupees to 418 rupees per equity share. This IPO consists only of an offer for sale by several existing shareholders, including the promoters and investors, where they plan to sell about 2.8 crore shares of the company, and hence the net proceeds that they will be raising around 1,170 odd crore rupees. The selling shareholders will be receiving all of that, and excluding the expenses, all of those shareholders will be receiving. The company will not be really receiving anything for expansions as of now. But if in case as a retail investor you want to bid for this IPO, you will need to bid for 35 shares in one lot and then in multiples thereafter as well. About 50% of this offer is reserved for qualified institutional buyers, 35% for retail investors, and 15% for the non-institutional investors. A sizable chunk for retail investors, so the chances are high that you may end up getting the allotment for this one. Now, Medi Assist is a company that provides third-party administration services to insurance companies. A third-party administrator is an organization that processes the health insurance claims for the insurance companies and then provides services such as policy administration, customer service, network management, among other things that the company is into. Now, the company's shares are already commanding a premium of 30 rupees in the unlisted market on the day of the IPO launch as well. Remember, this Bengaluru-based health insurance third-party administrator has already mopped up 351 crore rupees through the anchor book. Marquee names form a list of the anchor investors, including Nomura Trust, Goldman Sachs, Ashoka White Oak, Pine Bridge Global Funds, True Capital, and HSBC. They have all participated in this IPO as anchor investors. Now, the company did post a consolidated net profit of 24.3 crore rupees for the 6 months ended September of FY24. However, this came down as the figure was 36.8 crore rupees in the same period last year as well. The company's revenue during the same period, however, have seen a jump to about 301 crore rupees from 243 crore rupees that were recorded in the same period last year. The big question comes in, then should you be subscribing to this IPO? Well, we got a whole host of analyst expectations right there. Most of the analysts have actually given a subscribe rating to the for the long-term purpose on this IPO. And they've also mentioned that considering the company's dominant share in the third-party administration or the TPA market, consistent financial performance and healthy cash flow generation, these are the factors because of which they are betting big on the company, and they've given a subscribe rating. For instance, Globe Capital has given a subscribe rating for the medium to long-term perspective. According to analysts at Globe Capital, the company is a one-of-a-kind operator in the third-party administrative industry in the insurance sector. This firm will garner attention as the first mover in the industry as well. Choice Broking has given a subscribe rating again, and they have mentioned that there are no comparable peers as having business model which is similar to the company. In fact, they say that Medi Assist is catering to the fast-growing health insurance sector and therefore looks for a very promising future. And thus, considering the dominant share in the TPA market, the consistent financial performance, the company's dividend payout as well, the brokerage house has given a subscribe rating to this issue as well. So do stay tuned for such more updates on this IPO space. In case you're looking forward to invest or apply for Medi Assist IPO, don't forget to speak to your own financial advisor before taking that bet, because this video is an information which is based on the DRHP of the company, and the analyst information has been taken in by all the analysts who we are speaking to individually to find out what their view is about the company. However, whether this company suits your portfolio is something that your financial advisor will be able to best tell you as well. So do stay tuned for more such information on Business Today Television.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
In today's rapidly evolving business environment, when risk is omnipresent, managing risks is no longer just about ticking a few boxes. Businesses need to maintain a panoramic view of risks to stay ahead of the curve. Join us to explore how organizations can rethink risk to unlock new possibilities and become fit for future. At PwC presents De-Risking the Future in collaboration with Business Today.
Hello and welcome to Business Today Television. I am Siddharth Zara.